Hi children, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to present 7th class English Unit 1A reading. Now we are starting the lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. Look at this. Town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other. One day the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. So the starting itself we come to know the relationship between town mouse and country mouse. Who are they? They are cousins. Look at this picture, town mouse and country mouse. They are cousins. In those days, the medium of communication was letters. So one day, country mouse got letter from his cousin. This is the letter we have. The letter is from Kitchen Cupboard, Mousetown, 11th March 2012. Dear cousin, I have been ill with cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. He has advised me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. With warm regards, yours affectionately, Town Mouse. To Country Mouse. The mouse hole, mouse country. Affectionately means here it is an adverb. Lovingly, showing, caring, feelings and love. Okay. Here in this letter, so the town mouse is asking that he is not a little bit well and his doctor advised to him go and stay in the countryside. Countryside means it is almost a village. Okay. So the doctor advised town mouse to go and stay in village side for few days. Here town mouse is asking the country mouse permission to come to the stay in village side. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. So the town mouse started journey as soon as the invitation came from the country mouse, and also as soon as the reply is there from the countryside. The town mouse packed all his bags and he caught the next train to the countryside. And since the day was very bright and sunny, sunny in sense, sunny is not a name here. Sunny means very hot, just like summer season. The town mouse began to feel hot and uncomfortable in the train. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. Who is saying these words? Town mouse was speaking to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. How does he feel? He feels very uncomfortable. Okay. We can see a beautiful picture here. The station name is Mouse Country. And we can see also the train name on the right side, Mousetown and Mouse Country. Okay. Look at entire of town mouse wearing suit, tie and shoes. We can see his luggages, suitcase and tally bag. We can see in this picture different types of animals is there. Look at these pictures. Look at left side. Country mouse is wearing chappal, normal chappal here. Wearing dhoti and wearing towel on the shoulder. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Okay, it was very hot. There is nothing this town mouse do. So while he got down from the train also moved away. So the country mouse also waiting at the station. Why country mouse is waiting at the station? Because to receive his cousin town mouse. Okay. Oh cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at the home. As soon as he got off the train, we usually wish we go to receive any of our relatives. Say ho uncle, ho auntie, ho brother, Oh cousin, we usually ask that so like that. They have wished. And the train was dead full. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at the home. Here, that the train was dreadful. Dreadful means horrible. Here is the meanings. Grumble means complain about something in a bad tempered way. Terribly means unpleasant. It is a adverb. Thirsty means adjective, feeling a need to drink. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse. But I can look around for some coconut water if you like. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? Horror means it is a noun, feeling of fear, shock. Look at the pictures, coconut water, orange juice and lemonade. Okay, just we think about the food, the drinks that are available in the village, either water or coconut water. Okay, then first he suggests water, the better than water was coconut water in the passage. Okay. I am afraid not, replied his cousin, but I found a very nice piece of fruit today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I am sure you will enjoy that. Means here what is food available now? Nice piece of root and a tender bit of sugar cane. Almost completely afraid. We don't want to eat all those things, roots, sugar cane. That is all uncooked, that are raw food. Okay. The country mouse said this is what we eat in the country. So I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it, it's not bad. Country mouse is saying that I am afraid you too have to eat this. You not have any another way. Try it, it's not bad. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, there you are, you can sleep there. Okay, finally the town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all, so he just nibbled at the root and the sugar cane. Here nibbled means not showing much interest. For example, if your mother cooks if you don't like much, what do? You eat little bit and you just move to the bed. Right? That is happening here. The town mouse did not like the root and the sugar cane at all. He just nibbled and he went to sleep. What did country mouse showed? Country mouse showed a hole in the corner. There you are. You can sleep there. Okay? Students, we have completed 7th class English Unit 1, a reading, the town mouse and country mouse, part 1. We will meet in next class. Thank you.